Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs in air fryer step by step. Place eggs in a single layer in the basket, set temperature to 270 degrees F, and air fry for 15 minutes for hard boiled. Adjust time for softer yolks. After cooking, transfer eggs to an ice bath for 5 minutes, peel under running water, and season as desired. Serve warm with toast or in salads. Warm up your air fryer for a few minutes to stabilize heat before adding eggs. Place eggs in the basket without overcrowding so air can flow freely. Cook at 270 degrees F for 13 to 15 minutes depending on desired doneness, then transfer eggs to an ice bath for exactly 5 minutes. Peel under running water for cleaner shells, season lightly, and enjoy simple, reliable results every time you make eggs this way. If you're enjoying this video, please hit subscribe and like so we can make more helpful kitchen content. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They make standing at the stove much comfier. I put the link and other deals in the description for easy access, so take a peek if you want to grab a pair. Now let's get back to the video. If you want creamy soft yolks, drop cook time by a few minutes and test one egg first. Experiment with toppings like avocado, herbs, or a pinch of smoked paprika to change the profile quickly. Adjust temperature down slightly if you notice chalky yolks. Extend time a bit so whites set while yolks stay tender. Keep notes on timings for your specific air fryer model so you get consistent eggs every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.